GIFF Honest Review Travelers to watch before use. Most people get mobile providers wrong. They assume every SIM card works the same abroad. The surprising truth about GIFF is that it offers flexible, pay-as-you-go plans ideal for travelers. But you won't believe the limitations if you don't plan ahead. Here's how it works. GIFF provides prepaid SIM cards and flexible goodie bags with data, text, and minutes. You can manage everything via their mobile app, including top-ups, plan changes, and international roaming options. For example, a traveler heading to Europe can buy a GIFF SIM in the UK, select a data-heavy goodie bag, and avoid roaming charges. Most people get this wrong. They assume unlimited coverage abroad, but some countries require specific roaming plans or incur extra costs. Additional features include community support, easy account management, and the ability to change plans monthly. Users praise affordability, simplicity, and transparency compared to traditional contracts. However, there are considerations. Network coverage varies outside the UK, and data speeds may be slower than local carriers. Most people assume a UK SIM will work flawlessly worldwide. Research your destination's roaming agreements to avoid surprises. In conclusion, GIFF is ideal for travelers seeking a flexible, cost-effective mobile solution, but it requires planning for international usage. It's perfect for short-term trips and budget-conscious travelers who value control over their mobile spending. Subscribe for more honest reviews of travel and mobile services.